Welcome back. In this part of our Canva tutorials series, we'll dive into some really exciting features, starting with text effects. Text effects are a powerful way to make your text stand out and add personality to your designs. Let's start with a new project by clicking Create Design, and let's select Instagram Story. Let's put in a background so that the text effects will be emphasized even more. To add text to this, let's go to the Text tab, and we'll create a heading, a subheading, or a bit of body text. There are also some pre-designed texts here, so you can choose any one of these. So let's do a heading. Let's put in some text here. Monday. And let's select the font style. Once you have your text in place, you'll notice an Effects button here on top. When you click on it, a menu of options will appear, such as Shadow, Lift, Hollow, and Splice. Each effect can be customized further. For example, if you select the Shadow effect, you can adjust the color, transparency, blur, and offset to get the look that you want. So if you adjust the offset, it changes the distance of the shadow from the text. If you change the direction, it's going to change the angle here. And let's set the font to a white base. There we go. And let's go back to the shadow. You can also set the blur, like so. So by adjusting the blur, you can see that the shadow here is getting softened or blurred out. And you can also adjust the transparency. So this one would be a more opaque shadow, and this one would be a more transparent shadow, up to nothing. Let's do this 70%. Once you're happy with that, you can just click away from this text, and it will keep that. Let's try experimenting with other different effects and see how they can transform your text, and you can combine effects to create something truly unique. Let's go back to the effects, and let's select Lift. Lift is a shadow type effect where it has a soft shadow at the back of the text, but it's not necessarily a customizable shadow. Hollow is going to outline your text, so you can adjust the thickness. So Splice is a combination of hollow and shadow. So if you change the thickness, there we go, and the offset, so the distance, and direction. There's also a color swatch here. So by doing this, you will create a truly unique design for you. There we go. So select Outline. Outline is simply just creating the thickness of the text. You can change the color here as well, and drag and drop the thickness. Drag it to the right or left, and then drop the cursor. The next thing is Echo. So this is a layered shadow. Offset means the distance from the subject. So let's increase the offset, and let's change the direction. There we go. So it's an echo of the shadow. Let's also change the color. All right. Next thing is the glitch. So there's two options for glitch. If you set the offset, there we go, and the direction, and change the color, there we go. So it looks like the screen is glitching. So you can use any of these effects and then apply that to all your other text or other elements in Canva. To do that, you don't have to redo the whole thing. You can simply click on this Format Painter, or copy the style, and then paste it to the element that you want to have this same effect applied to. There we go. You can try experimenting with different effects and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching this segment. Don't forget to drop a like, comment on what you think, and subscribe to LearnXpert for more Canva tutorials. On our next topic, we'll learn how to curve the text in Canva. Hey, welcome back. Now let's talk about curving text, another fun way to add flair to your designs. Curving text is super easy, and it gives you a professional touch to your work. Let's start by selecting your text box, and then click on the Effects button. This time, choose the Curve option. A slider will appear that allows you to adjust the curvature of the text. So you can adjust it to be a wider curve or a smaller curve. Let's do a smile here. And let's copy this same style. but let's do a different curve direction. So it's negative 66. So you can type in the angle that you want, or you can simply slide this to 66. In this case, I'm just going to make it as precise as possible. So I'm just going to delete this negative symbol and hit enter. Now we have this curve. Right? Let's add a few more elements here, like a smiley. And just have good vibes here. Now isn't that nice? So you can create a perfect circle by adjusting the curve, or you can just do the subtle arc. This is particularly useful for logos, for badges, and any design that requires the text to follow a curve. Try out different angles and see how it complements your design. Once again, thanks for watching, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to LearnXpert so you never miss out on the latest Canva tips. Welcome back to this tutorial. Our next topic is how to add transitions in Canva. Let's move on to adding transitions. Transitions are what makes your design move smoothly from one slide to another, making your presentations and videos more dynamic. To add a transition, you need to have multiple pages in your design. Click on the plus icon to add a new page. Or by right-clicking on the page, you can click Control D. There we go. And edit this to be brighter. All right. Now, to add a transition in between the two pages, you'll see a triangle here. So just click Add Transition. And you have a variety of options. So we have dissolve, slide, circle wipe, color wipe, line wipe, match and move, flow, stack, and chop. So let's look at each one. So by dissolving this, there we go. So you can see that this gray background and the white text is dissolved into the next page. Like so. The next is slide. It pushes it to the left side. The next is circle wipe. There we go. Next is color wipe, line wipe, match and move, flow, stack, and chop. So by clicking on the transition that you want, you can select the duration of that transition, and you can also change the direction. Like so. Circle wipe, let's put it to an outer transition. There we go. For color wipe, you can change the color set. Same goes for line wipe, you can change the direction of the line. Match and move, so you can change the duration. Flow, also duration, stack, and chop. So you can change how it rotates. Adding the transitions can make your presentations or video slideshows more engaging and polished. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment on what transition style you like best, and subscribe to stay updated to our next videos. On our next topic, we'll dive into Canva Free versus Canva Pro. Let's learn the differences between the two and what are the advantages of both. Hey, welcome back. In this section, let's talk about the differences between Canva Free and Canva Pro. Understanding these differences can help you decide which version is best for your needs. Canva Free, like what we have right now, offers a wide range of features, including access to thousands of templates, basic design tools, and some free elements. However, Canva Pro takes it to another level by offering advanced features like the background remover, magic resize, premium templates, and over 100 million stock photos and videos. You can switch your free trial to Pro for 30 days if you want to test that out. You can simply click on this button here, try Pro for 30 days. And you can click Start My Free Trial. If you're someone who designs frequently or needs more customization options, Canva Pro might be worth the investment. It also includes the brand kit, which is perfect for business to maintain consistency in your branding. Let us know in the comments which version you use and why. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth tutorials on Canva. Hey, welcome back to this tutorial. This is a good one. Our next topic is how to use the background remover in Canva Pro. One of the most popular features of Canva Pro is the background remover. This tool is incredibly useful for creating clean, professional images, especially when you need to remove distractions from a photo. To use a background remover, simply upload your photo to Canva or select any photo from the library of photos and click on the Edit Image button on top of the screen. Then let's select Background Remover. Canva will automatically detect and remove the background in a few seconds, leaving you with a transparent image. You can fine-tune the edges by using the Erase or Restore brushes. So you can use the Erase or Restore brushes. So let's click Restore, and let's do Shadow. And you can also erase. So Or if you're happy with your design, you can simply go back with the background remover and just hit undo. And click the background remover again, and there we go. So if you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more Canva Pro features. Hey, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use Magic Switch, Translate, and Resize in Canva Pro. This tool is designed to save you time by automatically resizing your designs and translating text into different languages. To use Magic Switch, click on the Resize button at the top of your Canva editor. Here, you can choose different sizes for your design to fit various platforms, like Instagram posts, Facebook covers, and more. Canva will intelligently rearrange your design to fit the new dimensions. Let's select a Facebook post, an Instagram post, and an Instagram story. The first preview here is a Facebook post. So we have the first page, the second page, and the third page. On an Instagram post, we have this one, first page, second page, and the third page. And for the story, this is what it's going to look like. So let's resize this to 3 designs. So Canva will make 3 different files saved under a folder. You can open the designs if you want, and you can work on them independently. For the translation, simply click on the same button and click Translate. Choose your target language, and Canva will do the rest. Let's select a different tone of voice to professional and click Translate. All right, let's open this. And we now have a fully translated Canva design from that previous design. We have this one, I'm sure it says good vibes. And we have this. You can then manually change the font size so that it fits the design. This is perfect for businesses and social media managers who need to create content in multiple languages. If you're enjoying these tips, make sure to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to keep learning. Hello and welcome back to this Canva tutorial. For our next topic, we will explore how to use the brand kit in Canva Pro. The brand kit is one of the standout features of Canva Pro, and it's designed to help you maintain brand consistency across all your designs. To access the brand kit, click on Brand Kit on the left panel. Here, you can upload your brand's logos, select your brand colors, and choose your brand fonts. So let's set one up. Let's do this brand kit. You can change the company name here. Let's do an urban company, Urban Pulse. And I already have my logos saved in my computer. So all you need to do is just add a logo. Let's find the logo here. So I'm going to use this logo. I'm also going to use a transparent background. And I'm going to use this logo. Canva automatically chooses the brand colors for your page. Once set up, these elements will be easily accessible whenever you're creating a new design. To add a brand color, you can keep the ones here that's already preset or taken from your objects, and you can also add a new color palette if you want. So we can take the hex code for these colors. So let's do 00357B. There we go. Let's add 00132B. Let's add a black, which is just all zeros. A white, which is FF. And let's put in an orange here. Somewhere here. There we go. All right, now let's look for a font to use for this design. So the header font would be this one. And let's do that for the title. It's Norwester. And let's do a subtitle font. Let's do a more low-key font here. Quote. And a caption. There you go. So now you have your font set and your color palette for this brand. This ensures that all your designs adhere to your brand guidelines, saving you time and keeping your work looking professional. We can also add some photos, graphics, and other icons that will support your branding elements. All right, so now to access your branding, you can go into the brand column here. The brand section here. And you can put in your logos and whatever you need for this design. Right. Let's put this on the top of the page. And let's put this section at the bottom. There we go. If this is something you'd like to explore further, be sure to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe for more Canva Pro tips. Our next topic will create custom templates using the brand kit, so stay tuned for that. Hi there and welcome back to this video. Our next topic, we will learn how to customize templates with brand kit in Canva Pro. Now that we've set up the brand kit, let's see how easy it is to customize templates with it. So let's choose any template in Canva's library. Let's select an Instagram post. And you'll notice that the brand colors, fonts, and logos are now available on the editor on the brand section. There we go. So let's find something here that we can use for our brand template. Let's choose this one. And we can change the logos here by going into brand. And let's drop the logo here. Let's type in the name. Let's use the brand font here. So you can see the brand fonts here at the bottom. There we go. And let's change that to this one. This one. So you can change all of the existing fonts into the brand font that you want by just clicking change all. So by doing this, you instantly change everything here. So let's say you don't want this logo to appear, but you want this one. So all we need to do is just put it here, and now we have a logo. You can also change the brand colors here if you want. So by choosing this color, you can switch it into your own urban pulse or your own custom color palette. So let's select this one, and now we can change everything to this color. And also this one, let's change this to this color. This one should be in this color. There we go. All right, so now everything is up to your branding guidelines with the colors, the font, and the logo. So you can quickly apply your brand elements to the template and making it your own in just a few clicks. This is especially useful for creating consistent marketing materials like brochures, social media posts, and presentations. If you enjoyed learning about the brand kit, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on customizing Canva templates. Alright, so for our next topic, we will learn how to use the content planner in Canva Pro. It's a powerful tool, so stay tuned. Hey there, and welcome back to this video. In this portion, we will learn how to use the content planner in Canva Pro. Let's talk about the content planner. It's a powerful tool in Canva Pro that helps you schedule your designs directly to social media. To access the content planner, click on the content planner tab under the apps. So now in the left panel, we can see content planner here on the recommended apps. Here you can schedule your posts across different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and more. Simply drag your design into the calendar, set the date and time, and Canva will automatically publish it for you. So from here, we can just add the design that we want. And connect it to our Facebook account or any social media platform. And Canva will take care of the rest. This is a great feature for anyone looking to streamline their social media strategy. You can explore this further by going into any of these options and schedule the content that you need. You also have some quick access buttons here to use if you don't want to go through your calendar. So you can simply schedule an Instagram post, connect your business to Instagram, and then select the design that you want. All right, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to LearnXpert, and stay tuned for more content to help you master Canva. Have a great day. Bye.